Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today, let's take a look on how to make a thatched roof. Remember, my fiance, Flora, she's stuck in the Philippines and she's doing some repair work on her home. And half of the roof that they have is a thatched roof, and they need to repair that. Take a look at what is involved to make a thatched roof. So first, they need to go gather the palm leaves in order to, gather them all up and bring them back to their house. And this is about an hour walk from the village. And it's pretty interesting because the Filipinos, there's lots of these plants all over, but they go to the land that they own and they use only parts from their land. They don't take from other people. Another interesting thing is this is a family project. Flora is taking her two daughters, Nikki and Frezelda, her mother and her brother, and they're going to go gather these leaves. Flora actually grew up in a very tiny village. Her parents owned a small farm, and she has a great deal of experience in many different types of things, from coconuts to rice, to corn. She is a farmer. But as she got older, she realized education was the way to go, and she eventually, graduated high school, went on to college, and then took a job as a caregiver in Singapore. In a previous video, I introduced you to Frezelda. She's 17, and she has another daughter, Nikki, who is 19, and she's married and expecting their first child. So this is about a 45-minute walk through the forest, and you can see there are some bridges, and there's some other bridges to get across these canals. But what they're looking for is called a Nipa Palm, and it's a beautiful palm. It grows in mangroves just like we do here. The leaves of the Nipa Palm are what we need to make that thatched roof, and this is the most common roof in most villages throughout the Philippines. This is the fruit of the Nipa palm, and it has many uses also in the Philippines. Here is one stem of a Nipa palm. Watch how this is harvested. So as Flora's brother cuts off the leaves, the two girls are going to gather them up and place them in the bag. There are literally thousands of these leaves needed to create the panels that are needed to create the roof. Flora's brother uses that machete so well. These things are so sharp, they use them to chop most everything in the forest. Frezelda and Nikki are actually very hard workers, and you can see they're going to gather up all of these leaves and place them in that bag, and then they've got to carry these bags all the way back to the village. Remember, it's about a 45-minute walk, and these bags are going to get real heavy after all these leaves are placed in those bags. I apologize for all the length of showing how to go get these leaves, but it is an important part of the process. It takes a lot to get these leaves and to create the thatched roof. Yes, you can buy Nipa palm leaves from other people, but you can also gather them for free. Okay, they've gathered all the Nipa leaves, and they're going to be heading back. Again, 45-minute walk, very difficult to bring all these leaves back. Now the process of weaving all these leaves together begins. And you can see how this is done. Basically, they're folding the leaves over using a needle and a rope, and they send this all the way through, creating the panels. Each panel is about a half a meter long before it's trimmed. And you can see what they do is they lap that leaf around a piece of bamboo using the rope and the needle to thread it all together. There's a completed panel before it's trimmed. So now we have several panels, about a half a meter by 2 meters, and now we need to secure them to the roof. Before the panels can be installed, they need to be trimmed. And you can see just how sharp that machete is. Her brother's just cutting those off, trimming it off. You know, it's kind of like our cedar shake roofs. If you've ever installed a cedar shake roof, or if you know about cedar shake, you know, there's just different levels, different sizes of the cedar, and the same thing with the leaves. Although these are a little bit more uniform and they're going to overlap with so much to weather. These are installed exactly like our roofs. There's 5 inches to weather. In other words, they overlap about 5 inches. The starter course is a trimmed panel. This helps protect the fascia even though theirs is made of bamboo. Next, an untrimmed portion is fastened to the bamboo using the rope. They just lash it around, weave it, and tie it tight. So Flora's up on the roof bringing up the panels to her brother. Notice that you can see they do have a galvanized roof over most of the home. This section is an addition, kind of like a little carport, you might say, that they've added on. Although they don't own a car, they do own a motorbike, and they also have lots of tools. This is more or less a storage area. So Papa's lifting up some of the panels to Flora. Flora lifts them up and lays them out on the roof for her brother, and work continues. Using the cordage, these panels are secured to the rafters. And again, you can see that overlap. You know, a Nipa roof is actually very watertight. It's surprising, but it's very watertight. How long does the roof last? Flora tells me they last anywhere from 2 to 3 years. At that point, they do start to leak a little bit. And you either replace the roof or you add more, just like we add another layer of shingles to our roofs.
All this one we need to cover.
Looking up at the roof, you can see just how watertight this really is. For the head cap, sometimes they use galvanized, but they can also use the panels, and they work extremely well to keep that water off of the ridge. So just a few more panels and they'll be all done here, and they've created a very nice room that has a great roof and is watertight. So this is a Nipa thatched roof. This would be a really great roof, a good project for that backyard shelter, shed, or tiny house. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.